Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the if-else ladder detail, one of the if statement available in the C program. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive, the link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic if-else ladder. This is one of the type, fourth type. There are four types available: if statement, simple if statement, if-else statement, if-else ladder statement, if-else nested statement. Right? Simple if means only if condition will be there. If-else mean for condition true mean what is the statement. If the condition is false, what is the statement. Nested if mean more than one conditions are verified in a series manner. Condition 1, condition 2, like that. If-else ladder mean it is like a ladder. Yes, there is another way of putting ifs together when multiple decisions are involved. Right. For that, here first we are verifying one if condition. For that, one statement will be there. If it is false, another condition, another statement, like that. But in case of nested if, we are checking the condition continuously. Condition 1, then condition 2, condition 3, thereafter we can take the decision. But here for every condition the statement will be available. That is the difference between the nested if and ladder. Ladder means it is like a ladder, every step the statement will be available. Now we will see the standard format. If condition 1, we are verifying the condition 1. If the condition 1 is true, statement 1 will be executed. Otherwise, set of statements will be executed. We can go set of statement also. If the condition is false, this condition 1 is false, then it will go to the else part. Right? In else part, again one more condition is available. Condition 2. Then statement 2 or set of statements are executed. Suppose this condition 2 also false, it will go to else part. In else part again we have one more condition, condition 3. Right? Then statement 3 will be executed. Otherwise, set of statements in the executed. So if the condition 3 also false, then it will go to the else part. Here condition n, like that 1, 2, 3, there are n number of conditions will be available. Then it will execute the statement n or n number of statements. This condition n also false, then it will go to the default statement. Right? Finally, we have one more default statement will be there, that will be executed. Right? So condition 1 is true mean statement 1. Otherwise, condition 2, statement 2. Condition 2 also false means check condition 3, statement 3. Condition 3 is true means statement 3. Condition 3 false means it will go to another statement, like that it will go n numbers. Finally, all the conditions are false means it will go to the default statement. Right? For every condition the statements are available like a ladder. Nested if means condition 1, again condition 2, condition 3, like that it will go. More than one conditions are executed. Here every condition the statements are available. Now we will see one example program. The program to calculate the grade of a given student. Right. So let us consider the 5 variables: maths, physics, chemistry, biology and computer science. Right. 5 variables we are assigning. Right. M means maths, physics, chemistry, biology and computer science. Let us take with C1 because we cannot take both the C. Right. C1. C1 means computer science. Then calculating percentage, it may be contain the decimal point, so it is declared as a float. These marks are declared as integer point. Right. So after the clear screen, we ask the user to enter the 5 subject mark. What is the mark in the 5 subject? Right? Using the printf statement. By using scanf statement, we can read the data entered by the user by using the scanf statement. So this is the integer type. So the control statement is %d. %d refers control statement for integer. Float means %f, character means %c. So here we are going to get the 5 variables, so that 5 %d's are available. So that and m mathematics mark, and p physics mark, and c chemistry mark, and b biology mark, and C1 that is the computer science mark. right? This and symbol refers the address of that variable where it is going to store, right? So we declared variable for 5 marks. We declare the variable to calculate the percentage. After clearing screen, we ask the user to enter 5 mark using printf statement. This 5 marks entered by the user is scanned by the scanf statement that is stored in the for particular variable names. Now we got the mark for 5 subject. Now we can calculate the percentage. Percentage is nothing but we have to add all the mark divided by 5 because there are 5 subjects are available. Maths plus physics plus chemistry plus biology plus computer science. After adding, it is divided by 5, right? Now we got the value of percentage. Based on the percentage, we can discuss the grade. Our aim is to calculate the grade of the student, right? So there are 5 grades are available. There are 5 grades are available. 6 grades are available. 1, 2, 3, 6 grades are available. So the grade is available. The percentage of mark is available in percentage, PER, right? If percentage is greater than or equal to 90, greater than or equal to, so 90 and 19 above, 90 and above, 90, 91, 92 up to 100, right? In this case, 90 and above means we can print grade A, right? 90 and above means grade A, right? If it is false, what is the meaning? Like if it is false means it is not greater than 90, it is less than 90. Less than 90 means whether it is greater than 80, right? The next category is grade B. For that we have to verify this 80, whether it is greater than or equal to 80. Percentage is greater than or equal to 80. We see that this condition is false mean automatically it is not greater than or equal to 90. It is less than 90. In that again we are verifying whether it is greater than or equal to 80, right? So if it is greater than or equal to 80 means grade B. Greater than 80 but less than 90 because this condition is false. This condition false means it is less than 90. This condition true means greater than 90, greater than 80, right? So in between 80 to 89. So in that we display the grade as grade B, right? So this condition also false means it is not greater than or equal to 80. It is less than greater than or equal to 80, right? If it is less mean again we are checking another condition. Else if percentage is greater than or equal to 70, right? Whether it is greater than 70. That is the meaning is this condition is false. So it is not greater than or equal to 80. But this condition will check whether it is greater than 70. This condition is true mean it is in between 70 to 79, right? Greater than or equal to 70, 71, 72, 79 up to 79. Because this condition is false, it means not greater than 80. If it is 70 to 79, the grade is C. We are printing the grade as C. If it is not equal to 70, this condition is false. It will go to the next one. Percentage is greater than 60. Whether it is greater than 60, right? If it is greater than 60 mean it is between 60 to 69, not 70 because this condition is false. In case of 60, we are going to print the grade as D, grade D, right? Suppose this condition also false. It is not greater than or equal to 60, right? We'll go to the another condition. Greater than or equal to 40, right? 40 means the last grade, grade E, right? Grade 40 is greater than 40 and less than 60, right? That is 40, 41 to 59, right? Suppose this condition also false. It is less than 40 means this grade F, that is fail. The student is not passed the subject, not passed the course, is in the condition of failed case, right? F, grade is F, right? So we are checking the percentage. Every category, for every category we have the grade. 90 and above means grade A. Not 90 and above, it's 80 and above means grade B. 70 and above means grade C. 70 and above means 70 to 79, not 80, right? Then greater than 60 means grade D. Greater than 40 means grade E. If it is not at all grade greater than 40, is less than 40 means the grade will be F, right? So for every condition we have statement that is called a if else ladder. right? Greater than or equal to 90 false, greater than or equal to 80 true means it is between 80 to 89, not 90, right? So 80 to 89 grade B. Like that we are checking the condition one by one. So in this video we discuss the if else ladder, one of the if statement available in the C program. We solve the one problem also, one program to display the grade of the student. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.